Good morning! Welcome back to another recipe video of what I will be making my brother for lunch today. We will be transforming some Indomie, guys. This one is mean good on barbecue chicken flavor, but the protein we'll be using is beef. We have some beef and baby bella mushrooms, some French beans, and we have here a carrot, some carrot, and an onion, and some green onions, and of course the garlic. Yes, my garlic is frozen. Don't come for me. Yes, it's frozen. Guess what? I don't care, because when it's time to use it, it's gonna defrost naturally. So keep your opinions to yourself and trust the process. Okay, let's get started. First and first, of course, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Yes, I wash my hands. Let me tell you, if I show every time I wash my hands to make these videos, this is gonna turn into a freaking healthcare channel. Okay, and I know what I'm talking about, so pause. And these are the seasoning I will be using. Will I be using all of them? Most likely not, but I just put them all out because you never know. Like, you never know. Okay, and here we have some cooking sake, black vinegar, black, and then some mirin. Yes, crushed red pepper. You need that burn your booty up. Ooh. Salt. MSJ. Yeah, it makes you good. And some ginger. Another chili powder. You can never have too much chili. There's no such thing as too much chili. Some ground black pepper. And some soy sauce. Okay, so these are what's gonna go in the food. That's too much damn carrots. But there's no such thing as too much carrots. Ooh. See? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Period. And that's the onions. And yeah, I chopped it big because, well, you'll see why. Fuck. And next we have some green onions that I'm gonna chop up. Not too much, not too much. That. And the French beans. Yes, I washed them. Oh, I'm about to get cussed. Ta-ta. What the hell? What the helly? What in the strangeness? And that's it. Just, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Honestly, these mushrooms looks like very questionable, but it's not, okay? Like, it's just baby bella mushroom. Like, it's just weird like this, but it's so good. See, told you guys, like, it's so good. These mushrooms just like to embarrass people for no reason. And yes, if you don't like mushrooms, you can totally keep this out. Like, it's now your recipe and not mine. The fuck? But yeah, it will still taste delicious just the same, with or without these. Here's, oh, hello. Move. Do you want to fight? Anyways, yeah, this is my mise en place. We have some green beans, carrot, shut the fuck up. Some regular onions, green onions, baby bella mushrooms. And back again, mi goreng and a steak. Now that it's all ready, I'm gonna get started. Let's do this. And now we're gonna put some garlic in here. Uh-oh, this garlic is like crying for help. Hello? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It does not matter. It still smells so good. Yes. Gotcha. Yes. There's no such thing as too much garlic. Okay? Mind your business. Keep it pushing. Yeah. And don't come telling me frozen garlic is not good. For you. For you, it's not. If you ain't cooking your garlic right, just say that. Okay? If you ain't cooking it, just say that. And a black pepper. A black pepper. Hello? Hello? You know what? Put it according to your taste. Yeah. Not everyone like that booty hole burning, so you can keep that out. We don't mind over here. We don't mind over here. Just a little bit of that. Because I'm probably was also be putting seasoning into the, yeah. Some make shit good, because why not? Just a little bit. And some ginger. And ginger. Oh my gosh. Okay. It looks like a lot, but it's not, okay? It's not. Me trying to convince myself. Some. Okay, that's just a little bit. Listen, I don't do measuring cups here. I do it with my eyes. If you look at it and be like, this looks good, then 100% it does look good. You should trust your guts. Everyone's taste bud is not the same, okay? Keep that in mind. Pop. And some black vinegar. Two and a half. Not too much. And some mirin. Okay, I said we don't do measurement in here, but look at me. Retarded. 2 and a half. The measurement goes according to how much beef you're making, so remember that. One, 2, and that's enough. I should not be putting these back because I still need it. What the fuck? Not all of them though. I want to measure these. 1, 2, 3. So this is Aloha soy sauce. This one is on the slightly sweet side, but not really sweet at the same time. And I'm gonna have some cornstarch. Yes, I'm using my hands for this. So why not? Look at her. I don't want too much because we're not baking this, okay? Oh, that sounds stupid. Guess what? And a little bit of baking soda. This one I definitely need to wash my hands. Hold on. Take a clean spoon. A little bit of baking soda, not a lot, just a little bit. I wasn't planning on using the seasoning packet that came with the mean goram, but I'm like, hold up, this actually a good idea, a better idea. I'm only using one packet, even though it's 2 noodles. At least it will still have that, you know, smell and taste. Don't want to take away from that, because that's kind of the best part of Indomie. So, well, yes, I do mine like this. So, hello, can you like the fuck and do this? And that's how you get all the sauce that's at the top to come out. And now you guys are like, what? Yeah, I know. The fuck? Like this. Just gonna stir it all up with the beef. Gonna get all of this mixed. You can literally smell the mean goram seasoning in it, along with everything else. Smells amazing. Noodle is kind of a pasta dish as well, so you let that boil first before you can add your noodles. And now that the water is boiling, I'm just gonna put my noodles in it. While my noodle is cooking, I'm gonna get started on the meat first. Yes, my wok was oiled up. It smells hot. If you can smell the oil, that means it's hot, but that's very disappointing. Anyways, you do not want it to be too hot before putting it in there, else yeah, you will understand why if you do that. Yes, I'm washing it with cold water because I don't want it to cook. Like, you want that texture. Don't want it soggy either. So I'm gonna leave it here like that. Yep. Lower the stove. Put in your vegetables. I'm not using all of it because the noodle is very small. Actually, it's very, very small. Like, I'm not even playing. And just a tad bit of salt. And yeah, I added a little bit of salt. And I'm just gonna place that in the wok. And yeah, go up. You see why I didn't overcook it? Why I washed it? This is why I washed the noodles with cold water, so it can be like this, bouncy. You always want to test your food, because you can't be feeding people stuff you can't eat yourself. Because what the hell? What are we doing here? See? It is bouncy. Wow. Mushy so. The veggies are perfectly crunchy. And oh my god, it is just amazing. I'm just gonna throw in some green onions. And yeah, we have the perfect noodle dish. Period. Okay, I'm just gonna plate this up real quick. It looks pretty good. Pretty decent, very colorful, very delicious as well. I'm gonna eat this myself. 맛있어. 와, 진짜 맛있어. 아주. Okay, let me stop playing. Like some fruits. Grapes. Intrusively just want to put the whole thing in there like that. This is why we wash our fruits, guys. Look at that water. Exactly. Second one. You know what? My intrusive thoughts won. Because I'm leaving it just like this. Yes, I'm leaving it just... No, I'm not. Let me stop. I'm not. Let me pause this real quick. And that's what we have. Yeah. And now it's time to see whether he finished the lunch. The lunch. Okay, let me stop playing with y'all. Hello? Why is it so blurry? Hello? Do you want to fight? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Tongue. Oh, that's so violent. Tongue. Cute. You had one job, okay? Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Excuse me. Tongue. What? Okay, I'm sorry for yelling, but like, look at that. Oh my god, it smells like takeout. Oh, that smells so good. I'm sorry. Like, it still smells so good. And that's your sign to cook lunch for your kids for school. They will appreciate it way more than you imagine. And when they grow up, of course they're gonna remember this moment for life. For life. I wish that I can have this moment for life. Hello? Can you like go on? Exactly. Anyway, that's it. That's all I gotta show y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.